Owengamele umnyango wezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal utshele osonkontileka abangakakhokhelwa ukuthi yonke imali eyabelwe umnyango okusebenza kwayo kulawulwa ihhovisi lomnyango wemali esifundazweni nokungenye yezinto ezenza kubambezeleke ukukhokhelwa kwabo.
Sinayo imali njengomnyango kodwa fanele sikhumbule ukuthi umnyango awuziphatheli imali kodwa zihlala emnyangweni okuthiwa uprovincial treasury. Ngaleyo ndlela kwenza ukuthi noma ungayifaka invoice uthi unayo imali kodwa kunento ekuthiwa cash flow phecelezi ukuphathwa kwezimali ukuhamba kwezimali inyanga nenyanga. Kusho ukuthi uba nezigatshana ukuthi inyanga nenyanga uzothola lokho.
Lo mnyango uqinisekise osonkontileka ukuthi usazimisele ukugcina isethembiso sokuthi kungapheli isikhathi eside izinkampani zabo zingakhokhelwe.
It cannot just take for more than 3 months one company has not been paid and there is no proper explanation. We are just here for that and ensuring that commitment, and the SOD and his team are also here.
Osonkontileka bakwamukele okushiwo umnyango.
Siyadinga ukuthi kube nesikhathi esibekele ukuthi wonke labasonkontileka abakoletayo bazokhokhelwa nini. So bathenda basibanike ithuba ke within this 2 months bazame ukuthi bayinciphise umthamo lo osukoleta already manje.
Sinenkinga eziningi nama service providers ethu babheke ethini ukuthi sikwazi ukubakhokhelela from izinto ezifana njengoma stand sinabasebenza abaningi esayithini kumele sibakhokhele indawo zokuhlala sinama plant services providers kuningi okukhona and kunzima ubachazela abantu ngomlomo ukuthi sekuzolunga.
Umnyango uphinde wethembisa ukuxhumana nalabo sonkontileka uma ubhekana nezingqinamba.